128 gig, 46,000 na lang. Super bumaba na po ito. Ayan. And then, full package and basic package is 45,500. Less cashback 545. iPhone 16 Pro, 256 gig, 50,000 na lang siya. Full package, basic package is 49,500. Less cashback 549,000.
Ayan.
14 Pro, 128 gig, 31,000. Full package, basic package is 30,500. Less cashback 530,000. 14 Pro, 256 gig, 34,000. Full package, basic package is 33,500. Less cashback 533,000.
33,000 na lang. 14 Pro na yan mga idol. Sobrang mura na lang dito kay Bossing Mayet ng CMB Gadgets. Ayan o, grabe. Ang dami niyang stock oh. Wow.
All stock na yan.
All stock na. Next is iPhone 13 Pro. iPhone 13 Pro, magkano na lang yan, boss?
iPhone 13 Pro, 128 gig. iPhone 13 Pro, 128 gig, 24,000 full package. Basic package is 23,500. Less cashback 523,000. iPhone 13 Pro, 256 gig, 26,000. Full package, basic package is 25,500. Less cashback 525,000 na lang. iPhone 13 Pro, 512 gig. Bili ko lang po yun ng 27,000 full package. Basic package is 26,500. Less cashback 526,000.
O, diba? Napakamura na lang po ng 13 Pro dito sa Kinyal Telecom or sa CMB Gadgets. And syempre, meron tayong iPhone 12 Pro. Magkano iPhone 12 Pro?
Ayan, meron din tayo 12 Pro. 12 Pro, 128 gig, 18,000 full package. Basic package is 17,500. Less cashback 500, 17,000. iPhone 12 Pro, 256 gig, 19,000 full package. Basic package is 18,500. Less cashback 500, 18,000. Then meron din tayong 12 Pro na 512 gig, 20,000 full package. Basic package is 19,500. Less cashback 519,000 na lang.
Ayan.
So, yun na lang po yung stock natin dito ng Pro Series and Pro Max Series.
Ayan, so bisita na kayo kay Ate Mayet ng CMB Gadgets sa stall XB02, second floor, Green Hills, San Juan City.
Yan. At saka syempre, nagpapa-COD po ako or cash on delivery within Metro Manila or nearby. Pwede rin po ako mag-cash via LBC nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Okay.
So, ayun. Ang mode of payment natin dito is pwede tayo sa cash, bank transfer, and Gcash. And then, meron tayo mga installment. Ang mga option ng installment natin is credit card, G-Gigs, Pay Later, Skyro, and Bill-Is. So, yun lang po. Bisita na po kayo dito sa ating stall. Sa physical store natin, second floor, Central Mall, Green Hills, San Juan City, store number XB02. Ang permanent shop natin is third floor, Green Hills, San Juan City, CMB Gadgets by Kinyal Telecom.